YouTube, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and we out here with the 2018 Mercedes C63s AMG, and you know what time it is, right? It's that time already. I can't believe it's that time already. Yes, indeed, it is that time already, guys. Your boy, be on them brakes, okay? You be on the brakes, putting in that work. So that's what we got right here. All right, so these are the brakes you're gonna need for your for your C63s. I'm not sure what years they cover, but yeah, you can see that right there. All right, we're gonna throw these babies right on here. We're not replacing the rotor. No. I'm not replacing the rotors. Why? Because there's nothing wrong with the rotors, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and replace the brake pads. Although the dealer recommends changing the rotors out, they only recommend changing them when it's in their favor, okay? Trust me. It's not wrong with the rotors. But we're gonna go ahead and get these pads swapped out, so let's get to it. First thing you wanna do is you wanna get your jack. You wanna get your jack stands. You're gonna need to have jack stands available. You're gonna need to have your jack. You're gonna need to have your You're gonna need to have your spanner tool. This is for removing that center cap which covers your lug nuts. So let's go and get that baby taken care of, like so. You should be able to do it with your hand, but in case you're not, you take it off with this right here. Damn, it's kind of warm today. Thought it was gonna be cool. Guess I'll take this jacket off. All right, so that's how you remove that there. Too easy. Take it loose and you're done with it. All right, so I'm gonna need to get my lug nuts and my lock nut. Let's get this baby jacked up first. There's an area right under here which you should notice. It's like a little landing for placing a jack. Just make sure you place it in that location. Don't just go up under there and start jacking up. So I'm going to be using the lug on impact wrench to remove my nuts. So I'm bringing everything up in the air. And even if you don't, the differential is locked, so you're not gonna have to worry about anything twisting while you're trying to loosen it up, okay? All right, then we're gonna be using a 17-inch. Let me check. All right, so we're using a 17mm socket to remove our lug nuts from the vehicle. All right, make sure you locate your security lug nut, your security lock nut. It should also be placed in the trunk. All right, make sure you observe the proper orientation, which direction you push it, so you don't be tightening it up instead of trying to loosen it up. We're going to be reversing it. All right, it's a lot of torque on these things. Apparently, Mercedes like to torque the hell out of these things, so we're gonna break them loose with a lug wrench. All right, guys, so your lug nuts are 17mm, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna break them free with our star wrench before going into it with the torque, the impact. Oh my God, what the fuck are these guys thinking? This is crazy. They have these things torqued to the max. Which direction do they go? Hold that down. I'm pretty certain these shit's a reverse thread. God. These things are so fucking tight. Why, I don't have a clue. Ain't that about a bitch. I'm gonna take this shit to the dealer. They gonna make sure my shit is like, they got my shit like over torqued like a motherfucker. I don't understand why I gotta be torqued so damn tight. But they about to fix this shit.